Game Changers, Serikeni. If you want to know all about washing and cleaning sneakers, here's the guy to talk to. Here's the go-to guy. Me outie, Shapuzet.
Shapuzet.
The best, the best. Hey man, kuri Serikena di charity sabat, you know, eh? Our blele for baba ko khair buale man.
Oh, litsola ka Akhona. Ke dula mo ko Diepkloof. Ke na co-founder ya Sneaker Hub.
Okay. No, that's awesome. That's awesome, me outie. Co-founder.
Yes.
So ke business oyiqadileng le motho. Is that someone you'd love to introduce or o batla re kaofela really to hona no?
No, ke qalekile one.
Okay.
So well in never.
Oh. Mara re mkolli ka bona.
Re kolli motho ka
bona. Sure. So angplele me outie. How did you establish Besagete so because ka bona go busy?
Sure.
Yeah, go hectic. O qadile va. What inspired it? What happened?
Okay, qale vele qale kancane as a joke.
Yeah.
Implement outside egedini. So afika upro wami ngishayile around. So nje besiplomile afika like namateki wakhe.
Sure.
Nemateki wencosi zakhe, nemateki umfazi wakhe, yabo.
Yeah.
Then asiqala ziwashela nje siplomile nje, yabo. Then abantu babhizi baloko badlula nje kasi babuza ukuthi manje ngalethe nami ngiwashela, yabo.
Sure.
Then it came to an idea which no man, let's take it, let's uwashele, then uzosibhadala wena. Then the following day wathola spot waqala uwasha upro wami, then saqala sasipana siyi-2.
Sure.
Yabo, because yena yasebenza mina ngingasipani, yabo. So because of business then ngagcina sengasasebenzi naye ngithola. Then athola ispot sami ngaphusha since from last year October, yeah.
Last year October.
Yes.
Okay.
So since then busy ngiphusha ngiyi-1. Okay, ngathola amajita afuna ukusipana nami.
Yeah, danara.
Ngagcina nawe ayayeka nani.
Yeah.
So up until now since ngiphusha.
Yeah.
Sure.
No ngiyabona bro. Ngiyabona khona no another time singena nje sibone nje kubusy traffic yokuthi ubani ufuna iphathi kuqala ubani. Yabona. And it seems like you're doing a fantastic job, mfethu, and I can't wait to bone before and after yalana because hey lana kungcole heavy mara ngara kumnandi.
So clean.
Yeah. And this business so we ranayo, is it something on a vision for long term and so we register kamba kanjani la?
Okay, definitely sure. For long term wise, yes I do. Because manje I'm not only bheke ukuthi ngifuna ukwashela lana, ngifuna ukuvula amanye ama branches. Yabo. Qasha abafethu because baningi abantu abangasipani kasi, yabo.
Yeah.
So it's not only about lana. Then in terms of registering, I got registered.
Yeah.
But soon, very soon.
Yeah. No, that's something we'd definitely love to assist with in terms of we balance sarana yabo.
Sure.
And ama challenges we face on the daily.
Yeah.
Anjani nawe le Besagete?
Daily nje normally I wouldn't say.
I know be honest man. Ungasivaleli ngaphandle man, ungasivaleli ngaphandle.
Okay, to be honest, ama challenges nokubhekana nawo nje akusama hectic challenges, something that I can manage ngithola. For example, ama customer nokuthi athatha isikhathi angalanda into zawo, yabo. Then sokuba some stocks expire phile.
So too much, yeah.
It's too much, yabo.
Yeah.
But into engakhona ukuyihandle le, yabo.
Yeah.
But now into engifisa kakhulu is winter now, yabo. Now because of it's winter izinto sathi isikhathi ukudry up, so abanye abantu abaunderstand ngithola.
Yeah.
So as isikhathi sokusamba, I think I need to have a way of challenging new winter because that's my main challenge.
Yeah.
Winter.
Yeah.
But summer-wise, the business is running very well.
Everything is running smoothly.
Yes.
So winter yinkinga.
Yinkinga.
And now Tina as silana no esikasi game changers.
Sure.
Ungafuna sikuthuneleni vele.
Sure.
Ngebusiness. Just to kuyikhulisa even further.
Mina ngajabula nje yasi nje nge-setup nje yami ukuthi nje yazini be exposed because la indawo ngisiphanela kuyi exposed vele.
Yeah.
But manje
ngiyabona kubusy.
Sure.
Kubusy strategy.
So manje yabona like in terms of marketing bene shelter nyana ngithola.
Yeah.
Not much kaziwe mfethu.
Yeah.
Ngithola ngithola kaziwe even itulo nyana ezifew.
Yeah.
Ngithola. Kwalisa nesitoko sami then
Sure. And of course the way uringa ngakhona nguzwa ukuthi nama client abaya from all areas. I'm talking wherever to that come here. Ufuna nokubranch out.
True, but because manje ngisebenzela kuyindawo abantu like iBaris like a main CBD nyana.
Yeah,
Ngithola.
yeah.
So people come from different places.
Yeah,
ngithola.
yeah.
So it'd be nice business-wise, venture like sneaker hub.
Yeah.
Be everywhere.
Yeah.
Ngithola. Every kasi, even nasesilungwini if kuyenzeka yabo.
Sure.
Na-international if kuyafika.
Amavele. Yeah, yeah.
And but ngaphandle kwalokho uvusa abafethu.
Sure.
Because unemployment it's very bad la ekhaya yabo.
Yeah.
So not only for myself yabo. Maybe abafethu mabavuka if ngivula somewhere it's not only my business.
Yeah.
So sure umuntu uzozanela for yena.
Sure.
That's my dream kahle kahle yabo.
Yeah. And bro wami yazi mengilo ngokulalela nami I'm learning a lot myself yangithola because mengibona umuntu awasha ibhathu I'm thinking ibhathu uzoyaphi ngebusiness yebhathu. But after seeing traffic yanamhlanje bro I'm inspired.
Sure.
I'm inspired and I would love to hear more from a co-partner. Ngizokhuluma nge-co-partner
yakho.
yakho.
Khona uthi ngispansana naye igama la uvusi.
Yeah.
Uyathi vele iyo.
And ukhona vele
Ukhona.
Yabona. Mhlawumbe mesingamdonsa sibone ukuthi man angasitshela more about the business ukuthi yena experience yakhe so far ihamba kanjani.
Sure.
Yabona.
All right.
Yeah.
All
All right. Game Changers, that's Akhona, the founder and rather now the co-founder of Sneaker Hub. We are about to meet Vusi. He's about to tell us more about the business, but before we get there, arinke break bafethu, no.